Hello everyone, I'd like to show you how to do buttonhole stitch or blanket stitch today. So I'm going to bring my needle through the fabric at the end of this line I've drawn, and we're going to work with Pearl A5 thread, which is thick enough for you to see hopefully. So I'm going to take my needle down to the side of my drawn line. This will give the length of each stitch, and then I'm going to bring it back up along that drawn line, nice and close. Get through, there we go, and then pull the loop through. Okay, so then we're going to move along a little bit, try and keep them in a row as though there's an imaginary line there, and then come back up on our drawn line. Okay, now we're trying to do these quite close together, and this will be buttonhole stitch. There we go, and bring it back up close to the previous one along the bottom of the row there. Pull it firm but not tight so that they lay nice and comfortably next to each other. Go down. Now if you can't see where the line is, you can push it out of the way and then bring your needle up and snug it back down before you pull the needle through. That can be quite helpful. Let's do one more. Down, needle through but not the thread. Push the loop out of the way and bring our needle up on that line and then pull the loop through. So these stitches are all nice and tight together, and they would be called buttonhole stitches. Okay, we're now going to change to blanket stitch so we can leave a bigger gap between our stitches and come up on that line again, trying to keep our stitch straight. Leave a gap this time, come back up on our bottom row and pull it through. Now try and keep your gaps reasonably similar between each stitch, but it doesn't have to be exact. This is hand stitching after all. If we wanted it exact, we could always use a machine. So that's our third one, and then another gap, leave a loop, bring our needle out on the line, pull it all the way through. There are various variations on this stitch, but we're only covering the basics in this particular video. I go down and then there. Trying to do this at a distance because of the tripod. My eyes aren't really as good as they used to be. So if I was stitching this myself, I would be up nice and close and using a magnifier. Okay, to fasten off, just pop your needle down underneath the last loop of the last stitch and tie it down. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe.